Hello, now we are doing exercise 3.6 question number 2 second. Question is two women and five men went together finish an embroidery work in 4 days while three women and six men can finish it in 3 days. Find the time taken by one woman alone to finish the work and also that taken by one man alone. So now we are solving this question. Now, according to the question, efficiency of one man is X and efficiency of one woman is Y. We are supposing efficiency of one man is X and efficiency of one woman is Y. Now, so according to the question, if there is five men and two women, they can finish the work in one work in 4 days. So one day efficiency or if one day work of 5 men and 2 women is 5x plus 2y equal to 1y 4. This is our first equation, or we say 5 into 4 20x plus 2 into 4 8y equal to 1. This is the first equation. Now this is our first equation. Now as also 6 men and 3 women can do the piece of work in 2 days, in 3 days the work is done. So now 6 into 3 is 18 plus 9y equal to 1. So our equation is 18x plus 9y equal to 1. This is our equation second. Now we are solving equation first and second by elimination method. So we have to multiply equation 1 y. So equation 1 is 20x and equation 2 is 18x. So we have to multiply 18 in equation 1 and 20 in equation 2. So we are multiplying equation first by 18 and equation second by 20. So now (18) multiplied by 20x plus 8y equal to 1 here, and 20 is multiplied in equation second, so 18x plus 9y equal to 1. These are two equations. We have to multiply and then we have to subtract them. So now in the next page, now by multiplying them we get these two equations. Now we are subtracting equation second from equation 1, and we have done the sign changes, and the 360 cut it from 360, and 144 minus 180 is 36 minus 36, and 18 minus 20 is minus 2, and minus subtracted from both sides will become plus, and 36y equal to 2 and y equal to 2 upon 36. So y equal to 2 upon 36 equal to 1 upon 18. Now for x, so for x we have to put the value of y in equation these two equation, or we can put in equation first and equation second. So we are putting in equation second. Now we are solving this equation and putting the value of y in equation second. So 18x plus 9 into 1 upon 18 equal to 1. 9 to the 18, 18x equal to 1 minus 1/2. 18x equal to 1/2 and x equal to 1/36. Here x equal to 1/36 and y equal to 1/18. X and y are 1 day work of one man and one woman. So if they have to do complete work by one man and one woman, so x equal to 1/36. This means 1x is doing 1/36 work. So to do whole work, we have to multiply it by 36 both sides. So 36. So we can say that the 36 men can do one work in one day. So 36 days required to complete one work by one man. Similarly, y equal to 1/18. So 18 days required to complete one work by one woman. This is the answer. Thank you. In the end, you can see the whole question. You can pause the video and see this.